In situation 3, we are looking at Mikey's bike ride, and we are comparing the distance traveled in miles to the time that he goes in minutes. So number 1 is asking, what is the slope of this line? In order to find the slope of the line, we need 2 points, and we can use any 2 points that we want. So let's just choose any random point. So I'm going to choose this point 26, and I'm going to choose the point 40 and 12. And so again, I chose this point here, 26, and I chose the point 40, 12. You could choose any 2 points that you want. And in order to find the slope, we need to know the change in the y values, the rise versus the run. Now, one thing to note in this graph is that our y-axis is not going up by ones. Notice to get from 0 to this first marking is a difference of 3, and then we continue to go up by 3 each time. So each time we move in the up direction, we need to remember that we're counting by 3s. So if we look at that rise, we're going up 3, 6. So we went up a total of 6. Now when we go to the right, notice again, we're not going up by ones, we're going up by 10s. To get from 0 to this first tick mark is 10. 10 again would give us 20, 30, 40, and so forth. So when we move to the right, we're going up by 10. So we can represent as we follow to the right, we're going 10, 20. So our rise is 6, our run is 20. So we are going 6 over 20. If we simplify that fraction, we can divide both by 2, and we can look at that as 3 over 10. Or because we're talking about distance, we can use a decimal, which is 0.3. In number 2, it says how fast is Mickey going on his bike ride? So we're looking to get our unit in there, our unit rate. So when we're looking at our unit rate, remember our y's are on the top, so the y unit is miles, and our x unit is minutes. So we could say he is going 0.3 miles per minute.